Alphabet worksheet. G for God. F for fish. H for hen. E for egg. I for ink. B for ball. D for dog. C for cat. A for apple. Z for zebra. Q for queen. S for sun. R for rose. P for pen. T for Toti. J for jug. H for hen. G for God. F for fish. I for ink. Please subscribe Young Learning Hub.